What is going on, everyone? Happy Tuesday. Today I wanted to create this video for this network to share with you one biotech related stock that I believe has been just making huge bull runs, and the question is, will it continue its bull run, right? Will it continue its steam in the coming days and weeks and months to come? I'll share with you why this ticker has shot up so much in the recent day, what's the potential moving forward, and whether I would consider making an investment in this company. Let's begin. And if you're new to this channel, I would really appreciate you hitting the like and subscribing for more related content where I'm able to add value, share with you insights with stocks and the stock market analysis. Thank you. Let's begin. Now, I wanted to talk to you about VYNE Therapeutics. This company is on the NASDAQ market. The ticker is VYNE. As you can see today, the share price shot up, including in the after hours, over like the 50% range as an approximation, right? It's gaining so much traction in terms of its volume. On average, it only has about 610,000 shares traded within a day. Today, it went up by over 600% of that, where its volume is now at 34 million shares traded today with just news. Its market cap is still considered a small cap company at 16 million, right? But just from its prior close of 19 cents, it shot up by double, right? Just looking alone here, I mean, I was monitoring this company early January before the run up from 13 cents to like 25 cents, right? And then it started going back down 19 cents, where today it hovered above the 30 cents range. I mean, it went to 38 cents, right? Now, just looking at it from a short-term, mid-term perspective, right? The question is, can it break its prior resistance of $1, as you can see here? I definitely think that it can, because over the course of a year, it's been bleeding out, right? It's been on a downward trajectory. However, volume is beginning to pick up. Shareholders are beginning to gain more confidence in VYNE Therapeutics. Now, most of you are wondering why this stock has just shot up so much, right? Well, when you invest in small cap penny related stocks, right, you have that high risk, high reward potential. But what ultimately drove the price up, right? Well, VYNE did announce that the first patient with this disease, this skin disease, has been dosed in phase 1 clinical trials, right? So having its VYN201 a topical treatment be administered in phase 1 clinical trials, that's really what drove the share price up. And this is huge news, because now the company is now in the clinical development stage, and the question is whether the data is able to show safety and tolerable results, including pharmacoeconomics data. If it shows positive results, this company's stock can shoot up quite significantly. But this is ultimately what drove the price up, right? With the VYN201 entering clinical trials market. Now, the company expects to release top-line data in the first half of 2023 for its phase 1A and B clinical trials. So there's lots to come with this company, right? And just to give you some insight, this is based on the investors' published data here, where you have the topical treatment applied. Now, as you can see here with the VYN201, you see huge differences with improvement, right, from a clinical perspective here, right? And you can just see from the differences, I mean, it's making such a drastic change in how well the skin is adapting with the use of this drug here, right? After 7 days, and there's no evidence of substantial like adverse reactions based on the image, right? The image speaks for itself. So the question is this company doing what it's supposed to do. I mean, just based on this image, I mean, it's looking very promising, right? And we know that with this type of disease, as well as what other drugs they're producing, whether it's going to add value, I definitely think that it can, right? And the question is, going back to the stock price, can it break $1 range in Q2 or Q1 of this year? I definitely think that it can, right? Question is, can it run up even more tomorrow? We don't know that. I think that it can, right? Just based on the confidence that is building up with VYNE Therapeutics. So that's my overall key takeaway with this company. And I hope that this video added value and that I've given you insight on where I think the company is headed. But I definitely think the $1 can be broken, and there's going to be people who make huge return on investment with this company. So there you have it. I just wanted to share with you one hot stock to be on the lookout for. Thanks for watching another episode here at All I See Is W. I'll catch you on the next one for more good stuff that I'll be sharing. Take care.